It's day 8 of the Australian NRF VIP Tour, and we're at Microsoft.
Really, what AI is a computer or a piece of technology's ability to mimic cognitive traits, so human traits. How do you do that? You have to give that piece of equipment information. We have this example of a dog and a wolf. If you give technology enough information around these are pictures of dogs, these are pictures of wolves, and then utilizing services like we have, cognitive services around imagery, it analyzes different layers of the information to understand discrepancies, to be able to then, once you train this model, once you give it then another picture of a dog, it knows, oh, I have a 90% confidence rate that this is a dog, and it might be a wolf, but I'm pretty sure it's a dog. And then as you reinforce that and say, you're right, it's a dog, then next time it knows it's a dog. And so AI is just computers mimicking, human capability. I can speak into it and it'll translate. I can type into it, it'll translate. I can take a picture of text and it will translate. So cloud is at a place where it's flexible and scalable and more available, and you need the cloud in order to be able to have great artificial intelligence. You need a ton of data. You have to have a lot of information. If you don't have information, it's kind of a garbage in, garbage out. If you don't have good information, you're not going to get good artificial intelligence. And then you need algorithms and innovation on top of that data to be able to return information. So it's great that you're here because we're right kind of on the forefront of engaging on where we need to go with this. If you use Outlook on your phone, I have an iPhone, you'll notice there's a focused inbox in the Outlook. That's AI. Each time you say this should be in my inbox, not in my other, it's trying to understand the patterns there to be able to train that information to get smarter.
In the Microsoft and startups kind of ecosystem story, there's really these 3 phases, right? How do we, if I'm a startup founder, how do I think about a new idea and then start building as quickly as I can, getting product out, this lean process that is now famous in startups. How do I just get going and build product, right? So there we actually have our BizSpark offering, which is free Azure credits. Hey, if you're a dev and you want $150 a month in compute, we'll give you and your team 5 money to just get started in testing our products. We also provide a lot of facilitation on both space. So our reactor spaces, I actually think a new one is opening in Australia or just opened, an area where innovators can come, they can ideate with each other, and they just have a space to work.
Magic wand or anything, but what we see is same way as you would build a building. You'd like to think that automating operation in the first place is where you got your biggest bang for your bucks. You know that how do we manage equipment, energy management, then facility management, space utilization, use of access, security, all that kind of thing. And then how the building is adapting to me, and kind of type of service that could be in the context of what we're doing. We're going to be starting to be able to report on what's happening in the building. We're going to be able to use AI to get into predictive models, where you're going to be able to understand what is a trend, what is going to happen, and basically start to be able to take action before something is breaking, before there is danger, and all that kind of stuff.
Guys, we're packing up. We've finished the Smart Buildings presentation. We're about to head off to the Retail Experience Centre, and I think it's going to be one of the highlights of the event.
Just finished up at the Microsoft Retail Experience Centre. It was a real experience, but unfortunately, due to confidentiality reasons, couldn't take any video footage, but trust me, it was awesome. Now, quickly going back to Microsoft, to another Microsoft office for lunch, and then off to the airport. The show is almost over. The 2018 Australian NRF VIP Tour has ended, but the memories will never die. We came under our company banners and have left as friends. We've laughed, shared new experiences, gained knowledge and have been inspired. It is now to us to use our newfound knowledge and inspiration to drive change in our organisations. This tour would not be possible without the support of Microsoft, Intel and Adobe. From all the participants, we thank you for your generosity and support. To the organising group, Shannon, Marcy, Jody, Gerardo and Jake, we thank you for the time and effort you invested in coordinating this tour for us. 8 days ago, I started a journey to document every day of our tour, and now that is complete. These videos are more than a passing moment. When the mountain seems too hard to climb, or the motivation to continue on your journey starts to wane, revisit these videos to remind you of our purpose as a participant in the 2018 Australian NRF VIP Tour. These videos are yours.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.